Make them like flambeau, gunshot in your door. And I sell my pen a pole, been I watch him head back like a Netflix through the telescope. Toppy feel is a joke. Time upon the blood clot you like a goat, and push knife in a throat.
Once again, I am having problem coming up with a name for the them video when I do on Trinidad. It's very stressful. It's like a really terrible natural born killer movie. For real. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Wow, may I tell you, like me say, Trinidad and the reggae genre is like murder music 3.0. It's like a natural born killer, a terrible natural born killer movie. I am going to highlight a couple artists through this reggae genre artists in Trinidad through this video. I'm going to talk about specific situations with them or what's going on with them. But most of all, I want y'all listen to the lyrics of some of these artists. And the reason why I'm saying listening to the lyrics, because they're actually living out their imaginary lyrics or the fantasy lyrics. They're actually bringing it into real life ops. So they're actually, in other words, they're killing off each other like flies. Let's go. There's a big discussion in my mind, cause you see me have bad anxiety. For real. Me have bad anxiety, yo. And my thing is it record labels or is it gangs in Trinidad? I want to start off by playing a clip of one of them artists out of the 7 Camp by Prezi. And let me know what you guys think about it. I'm going to elaborate on it, but this is so much information, I don't even know where to start, yo. This shit make my anxiety arise. But listen to this dude.
Make them like flambeau, gunshot in your door. And I sell my pen a pole, been I watch him head back like a Netflix through the telescope. Toppy feel is a joke. Time upon the blood clot you like a goat, and push knife in a throat.
No, that artist is Castel, and he's out of the 7 Camp in Trinidad. The first thing that strike out to me about this artist, I don't know about you guys, but obviously he's dressed like the Joker, like a vicious clown. Him look like the Joker and him look like Killer Clown. Am I wrong or am I right? You guys let me know. Second of all, only hear the lyrics that's coming out of his mouth. And the reason why I want to point this out, this guy is down with the youth we call Prezi, the Trinidad Dodos. And that's the 7 Camp or the 7 Gang or the 7 record label. But he's dressed like Killer Clown, look like the Joker, the violent Joker. And the lyrics that he's spitting out of his mouth pertaining to the actual real life situation of violence and murder in Trinidad. If that's not crazy, I don't know what is. I am saying this is murder music. Let's move on, yo.
Like 2C, all the guns fully ship up back slowly. Who feel
the accent fly but truly. Big gun, stall up shot, kick up like Bruce Lee. Knock it on a 6, knock it on a 8 ball. On the east side, big us, I'm a rookie tall. Take me nothing, kill a pussy, make a mother ball. One clip, 30 clip, dog, full up.
No, this is Med's boss, and you hear the track where him come out pan. Him say, knock it pan a 6, knock it pan a 8, and him is like Bruce Lee, and make your mother ball. So, this is the kind of music that I'm talking about. I don't know how much to explain it, but throughout this situation in Trinidad, you have enough artists get killed. Example.
And shot him over 20 times about the body. The attack happened just about after 1 o'clock on Monday. George died on the scene. The artist previously released songs such as
Everybody know Rebel 6. He might play a video game. He might one of the first artists who were dead at Trinidad. And the man them come in him house and give him 20 shot. 20 shot, you know. He might play a video game. A lot of people say Prince Swanee do it. But me, I have a different perspective. Like I said, Prezi, him run the 17. And, you know, it seems like him and NUFF of the man them are war. Because you have the 6 and the 8 gang or record label. Let me say this thing make me so confused and anxious. I was stuck just now for about 2 hours to blow out. Just like facilitating back and forth with major and minor increments of research and stuff on this. Now, you have another boy with them kill. A youth named Brad Tech. And me I show him. But him come on social media and run up his mouth. That was Prince Swanee. Brethren, let's go.
Great way to see now.
They show we them know how far we are come from. Them just a envy the things so we have in the life. But the pussy them not gonna live twice. Them my life with more than diamond and pearl. And we run the shit and tell the whole world now.
No, that was Brad Tech from Z-Tech and him link with Prince Swanee. Them yam theme food. You have many more artists like Foreign Dan and you name it who get caught up. But like I said, the biggest thing when me see with this genre coming out of Trinidad, the man them is using social media and they're using fantasy and they're turning this fantasy into reality. And the reality is enough man are dead in a Trinidad over the music. One thing when we realize with this music, yeah, in a Trinidad, you know, like you have throughout Jamaica, you have different shows going on and stuff like that with the reggae. In Trinidad, the reggae promotion is not going on like it's supposed to be. So there is some kind of conflict. It's like one data is not matching the next data. Because to how they're doing the dancehall music, you would think a whole bunch of people, they would have shows, different shows all over the island, you know, and it's not happening because of the violence. So because of the violence and the people them, the locals them, they know everything. You understand? They're not going out to support these events. And maybe 1 or 2. Now, they might get shows in other islands or whatever that's close to Trinidad, but there is not a big support locally in terms of promotion, reggae dance, and them things that going on in Trinidad. Another thing I noticed is that other reggae music promoters from over the world, they're not drawing for the Trinidadian artists them. I don't know if they notice that, but I notice it. Because in Sting, not one Trini artist was performing in Sting. And Sting is one of the biggest shows. It doesn't matter where you're there. Sting is a show where you have to go on. Whether Sting flop or not. You understand? As a new artist or whatever, me would have liked to go on Sting if me was an artist. Or Reggae Sunsplash or Reggae Sunfest. But the promoter them is not drawing for these Trinidad artists because of the insatiable violence. Like me say, the music is like a terrible natural born killer movie. I did many videos on artists get killed in Trinidad, like this one here. That youth here, Craig man, him is the third Trinidad artist to get fling within a month. And when me do the video on Trinidad and say, yo, them is a carbon copy and them not have no culture, me get a lot of flack. You have a youth named Bonnier, him come and him talk things. Well, the man them a drop like fly at Trinidad. Listen to this.
TRINIBAD artist, whose real name is Keenan Craig, 31, was killed at St. Paul Street, Laventille on Saturday night.
Now, me just break it down for you. Laventille is in Port of Spain, Trinidad. It and a place called Arima. Trinidad is something different. If you're in Trinidad and you're singing gangster songs or you're going on social media, you're targeted. So the family should have understand that. Craigman should have understand that. Listen.
Craig's murder follows the death of fellow TRINIBAD artists J.M. Chucky Blanco Joseph, 18, who was shot dead by police on September 25 after he allegedly pulled a gun on them, and Josiah Boss McClatchy, who was reportedly killed during a shootout with police on September 26. In March 2021, 18-year-old TRINIBAD artist Brad Bailey, Brad Bad Like That, was shot and killed after allegedly issuing a threat to a gang. In July 2020, 26-year-old dancehall artist Rebel 6, whose real name was Kyle Roberts, was killed after he was shot several times during a home invasion.
And the list goes on and on. So people, when I say I do them video, like I said, me really a highlight and me a lick out upon the Trinidad dancehall genre and how them a do the violence. Me not lick out upon the music, but me a highlight the violence and the reality what's taking place in a Trinidad. Very, very dangerous. Well, I hope that video kinda highlights what I'm talking about. That Trinidad music is like a terrible natural born killer movie. Enough man are dead at Trinidad in a this dancer. You can look at the picture in front of you. You see you have Kalanji, him girl dead, on the right side. You have Mad Dog, and the list goes on and on. Now, a lot of these guys, them split up in a different sect. Like me say, you have the 6, the 7, the 8. You have Z-Tech. You have KG Records. You have West Bank Record. Now, I am going to do a video upon West Bank Record, the owner. Cause me here say him there prison. Them, the feds come and pick him up at Trinidad or some other place. But him get caught up. I hope this video, like me say, bring across what I'm trying to bring across. I love reggae music, but I don't like what's going on in Trinidad and Tobago when it comes to the Trinidad dancehall reggae genre. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Like me say, this video gives me anxiety. There is so much information. I don't know where to start and how to title this video, but this is what I came up with. I think I'm gonna add murder music at the end of this.